Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I will show you how to create a mobile application which can scan QR code. I will use Appery mobile platform and their new editor Ionic 4. First, let's create new application with name QR Code Scanner. Then let's open screen 1. Add button, then a little bit customize it. So let's change text to scan QR code, and also let's add text component which will show scanned code. For that, let's add variable with name code, and this variable will be displayed on the screen. So let's change text property to code. Since scanning QR code is not a web operation, we have to add corresponding Cordova plugin. For that, let's open App Settings, then Cordova Plugins, and enable Barcode Scanner. Then came back to screen 1, again open Code tab, and then Includes subtab, and add internal includes Barcode Scanner. Save, and let's add variable also with name Barcode Scanner. Select type Barcode Scanner, and don't forget to enable add dependency injection option. Press save, and then came back to our design tab. Select our button, then select event panel, select component button 1, event click, and then select action, run TypeScript. Add following code. So the code is extremely easy. So everything what we do, just to say barcode scanner to run scan function, get barcode data, and set barcode text to our code variable. Press save, and now let's test our application. In order to do it, we have to generate binary build. So select export and then binary APK or IPA. I will select binary APK. Our application is ready, and in order to install it on mobile phone, we have to scan QR code. Let's do it. So QR code is scanned. Let's install application. So application was downloaded. Let's select API key, press install, and open. In order to test how our application works, let's use QR code generator which we created in our previous video. If you remember, this application is available by this link, so let's open it. Let's go to inspect mode, and let's specify some QR code info, for example text, and now let's press button, press allow, and now we can scan QR code. And now on the screen we see the text property of our QR code. Now let's change text to something else, for example text 2, and run QR code scanner again. So now see the new text 2. That is all what I wanted to show in this video. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments.